Watching an educational purposes only channel. No children!
Good morning, Gromy. Today is Monday, June the 1st, and it's time to feed everything with Alaska fish fertilizer. I'm going to do this entire grow with Alaska products. Wednesday the 3rd, I'm going to order the Alaska Bloom. We're going to rock this whole grow with Alaska products. I'm going to give them some cow mag this morning. This is my homemade cow mag. At a recommended rate of 1 teaspoon per gallon, 5 milliliters. I'm doing 5-gallon batches, so I'm just going to throw 2 tablespoons in. That's going to be an extra teaspoon, extra 5 mil divided between 5 gallons. Easy peasy. All right, let's get it started off here. I'm going to stir the shit pot, baby. I got 6 gallons of water from my dehumidifier. Yes, it's very questionable. And I'm going to be testing I'm going to be doing my own water test. I'm going to be testing this. I'm going to be testing my well water. And I'm actually even going to test distilled water from the grocery store. I'm a common sense man. I do not trust AI. AI is going to be the death of us all, if you ask me. I mean, hell, even the Dr. Earth I use, according to even OMRI certified, California still says it causes cancer. Hell, everything causes cancer according to California, don't it? But between the Alaska fish fertilizer and motherfucking well water, it requires an extreme amount of pH up. And I am low right now. I'll go order 2 bottles of this shit. And my test results come up bad, I will not be using my dehumidifier anymore. I'm just gonna have to use a lot of fucking pH up. But that being said, depending on how you word your questions for AI, you're gonna get dramatically different answers. I do not fucking trust AI. So I want you to take a look at this. Yeah, so what do you think about that shit? Keep in mind, I live in a very humid environment. I fill a 5-gallon bucket up within a 24-hour period of dehumidifier water. I clean my bucket and I clean my filter on a daily basis. I've already added my cow mag. Always add your cow mag first. And I'm feeding on a 2-week schedule instead of every 3 to 4 weeks. So I use 1 tablespoon. I could go as much as 2. I go 1 tablespoon per gallon. I can't wait till I can get the flour. I'll be using both, kind of like I do my Dr. Earth. Might even use a little Dr. Earth all-purpose along with it. Let's see. I march to the beat of my own drum. Don't do what I do. Do your own homework. I do. But boy, let me stir this up and get my pH pin in there, because it's going to take a while. I'm gonna actually throw 25 mils of pH up in it. Get that rocking. We'll go look at some plants while we wait for this shit to stabilize. Back in a flash. Okay, dokie. The sun is brutal out here. I don't even know if you can see that, but I went ahead and added 30 mils of pH up, and I'm only at 5.75 right now. We'll come back to it. Let's sit here for a minute. Let's go look at some of these plants. Ooh, dog, it is brutally hot out here already, Grummy. I don't know if I'm going to survive the winter. I mean, this summer. My cassava, yucca, it's coming on along. I'll end up taking that fucking thing indoors. Fool and his money soon part. Yeah, coming on along. Probably gonna go live tonight, just for fuck around. Gonna get me some damn crook necks here soon. Yes, indeedy. Yeah, I'm gonna break out the Dr. Zymes tonight. I will go buy a gallon of distilled water for that. All my squashes have got PM showing up. Very humid environment. That's why I keep my fucking plants defoliated. Trying to grow a big bushy ass plant, leaving all them giant Mongo leaves on it. There's nothing but a recipe for disaster around this camp. PM out the bitch, out the ass. Whew. Got a bunch of little zucchinis coming on this one. Oh. That one down there. That one down there aborted. I got 3 good ones on that side. Don't see none there. Whew. Damn, it's getting hot. Yeah, so I'm mixing 3 gallons dehumidifier water and 2 gallons of well water, because it's going to take easy 10 gallons, 2 batches to feed everything. Mr. Man's blueberry. Ooh, she's taking off, Jack. Look at the size of that fan leaf. That's the size of a damn dinner plate. Ooh, sun is blinding me, kids. I hope you can see this shit. Whew. Whew. This cave's Rockamelon Haze. It ain't gonna be long. We're gonna be having these 4x4 scrog the fuck out. Gonna have to go up with the second deck. I'm gonna have to tie up this peyote form. I didn't super crop it. So she's kind of just pushing her way over, turning into a leaning tower of Pisa. So I'm gonna have to tie her ass up so she can't do that. Now I gotta do something with this cheese. Yeah, I'm gonna up pot them and put them in some little 1 gallon pots. Dig them out, I mean. Put them in some 1 gallon pots. I'll send them to a boy up the road. I came out here yesterday with my snips and was prepared to take a cutting and put the cutting in my spider farmer on 1212. But I had brought my loop with me, and I just happened to see pistols. I was a happy camper. I was a very happy camper. Whew, god damn, I'm gonna melt. Got my scrog up from my cucumbers. Still no apparent bug damage from the first round of Captain Jack's dead bug. Ain't nothing coming back. So we won't worry about that again for a few weeks at least. Definitely gonna hit everything with the Dr. Zymes tonight. Like I said, I'll probably just go live with that, so y'all can pick on me. Make fun of me while I'm fucking doing my shit. Oh, I did find a fucking earwig on one of my leaves over there on the dam. The other Brussels sprout. or whatever the other, my privacy fence is, my edible privacy fence. But he looked like he wasn't feeling too good. So he must have chomped on the wrong spot. All right, let me get the fuck on over here and see how much more pH up I gotta add. Should have brought my tape out here. I do have my tape. Hold on. She was a little under 3.5 foot yesterday. Let's see what the fuck she is now. Fasten your seatbelt. It's gonna be hard to do one-handed. Ooh. Get it down in there without busting my plant up. Ooh. I don't know if you can see that. Right at 3'6". Hell yeah. Beautiful plant, Mr. Man. I appreciate you, brother. I appreciate all you grummies. On Miss K, Kaz, and Dragon. Let's head on over to Slorilla Z. Okay, dokie. Ooh. We might lay her over a little bit. Tonight we see. Well, she is in full-on flower, baby. And I hope she stays that fucking way. I won't have to be doing no crazy ass shit in here. My goddamn back up against the damn fence. Fuck all that. she's the size I would prefer her to be right now. Giant plants have their fucking problem. Something old men don't want to deal with. You can have all that giant fucking plants you want. You young fucker. All right. One more look at the pH pen here. I'm going to take a quick look. And then I'm going to put y'all kids to fucking bed. I want to get inside and get this video uploaded. And cool off for a minute. Come on back out here and continue on with my ass whipping. Goddamn sawdust everywhere. Man, them boy cut down that damn tree, that sawdust went everywhere. She's gonna be a frosty kid already. Frosty little girl. Come on, baby. Look at all them tops coming up through there. Yes, and daily. Happy, happy, happy. Don't know if you can see this. 5.79. I'm gonna have to fucking add some more. Ooh. I'm gonna be cooking. All right, Grummies. Have a fantastic day. Have a fantastic week as far as that goes. I appreciate you muchly. I am out of here. Peace.